Ang nangyari dito, no? Ang Filipino fishermen made a radio call sa ating Philippine Coast Guard vessel, and accordingly they were subjected, no, to dangerous maneuver, blocking, and this loud siren na ginamit ng Chinese Coast Guard para harangin ang ating mga inistang Filipino from Subic, Zambales. Accordingly, when they reached a distance of 16 nautical miles from Bajo de Masinloc, that's the time that the PLA Navy warship and China Coast Guard started maneuvering to prevent them from advancing.
And with that po, how dangerous po yung naging kilos ng Chinese Coast Guard at PLA Navy laban po sa fishing boat ng mga Pinoy? Kamusta po sila ngayon?
Well, it was very dangerous to think that it came close as near as 30 meters, no, sa paglalahad ng ating kababayang mangista. Ang ginawa natin dito when we responded, we conducted medical examination, we provided them food, and even gave them additional fuel, no, for them to sustain their fishing expedition in Bajo de Masinloc.
Meron po bang naganap na mga radio challenge during that encounter?
Well, during that time, ang ginamit nila is siren. Nagpatunog ng malakas na siren ang Chinese Coast Guard to move them farther away from Bajo de Masinloc.
Okay, and of course, tanong din po natin dito, ano po yung inyong pahayag doon po sa nakikita natin na padagdag na presence po, no, ng mga Chinese Navy ships sa West Philippine Sea. Ngayong taon daw po nakita nila 41 na yung increase dito compared to 2025 na 21 lamang.
Well, on the part of the Coast Guard, no, and in close coordination with the Armed Forces of the Philippines, the Commander of the Philippine Coast Guard has expressed his commitment that we're going to also intensify the presence of Coast Guard vessels to deter and prevent all these Chinese maritime forces in harassing ordinary Filipino fishermen.
Okay, dun nga po sa pagtaas ng bilang ng mga China ship po dyan sa West Philippine Sea, ano po yung mga hakbang na ginagawa po ngayon ng PCG para matiyak po yung kaligtasan, of course, ng ating mga mangingisdang Pilipino?
Well, I cannot give you the operational details, no? But again, what I can only express to you is the commitment of the Coast Guard to ensure, no, na ating mapapangalagaan ang karapatan at kalayaan ng ating mga isdang Pilipino na mangisda sa West Philippine Sea.
Okay, and of course, yung mensahe nyo po sa ating mga mangingisda po na patuloy po na nangingisda po sa lugar na yan, sa kabila po ng mga banta sa kanila.
Well, ang message ko, no, on behalf of the Commandant, the Philippine Coast Guard will still carry out our patrols to ensure the safety and security of our Filipino fishermen. No? Even if we have smaller vessels, despite of bad weather condition, makakaasa po ang ating mga kababayan na patuloy po tayo magpapatulya at titindigan ang ating karapatan sa West Philippine Sea.
Yung pong mga presensya po ng mga ships po ng China dyan ay kinapapalooban po ng, of course, People's Liberation Army, Navy Plan, Navy, China Coast Guard, tsaka Chinese Maritime Militia. With this po, ano po yung basa po natin? Bakit kailangan po na ginagawa ito ng China sa atin na ganito pa po talaga ipinapakita nila na iba't ibang mga ships, no? Hindi po talaga yung mga pang-patrol lang doon sa area, yung kanilang inilalagay doon?
Well, first of all, we need to understand na hindi lamang sa Pilipinas nangyayari ito, no? This kind of deployment of the PLA Navy, China Coast Guard, and Chinese Maritime Militia is also happening in other areas of Southeast Asia. And the only key objective of the Chinese government is to deter us, no? To prevent us and to break our Filipino spirit sa pagtindig sa ating karapatan.